SERV stock analysis, Tuesday update, am I buying? I'm covering all this in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. When I'm looking at SERV Robotics, we are sitting at $9.53, 6% down for the day. Overall, exactly in my demand area. Now, would not necessarily mean that I'm just going to randomly buy here. No. The way that I would really move is I want to see a clean double break. Clean double break, that's it. If I don't see this like that, then I'm not going to be taking it higher. I mean, you see, it's all just about sticking to the plan. I mean, also, it's time, you know, just need to let the time do its thing. If the price does not want to give me my exact approach like this, then I guess I'm not going to be a part of the trend, you know. This is exactly what I want to see. If the red thing happens, then the black is where I take the trade. Just a quick little estimate, obviously not financial advice. If you want, this is just me called confirming. If you want to learn the strategy that's previously given me thousands of correct predictions for free, check the first link in the comments. All reviews are 5 stars.